Hey, what's going on? Yeah, I'm talking to you. We got the comparison with the 2020 AK's cars on
HDub50.
Okie dog. So you know the rules, right? If you like watching our diecast car videos, subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to ring the bell to get notifications when we upload new videos. Okay, that's the freshest ones we got. So right now we're gonna do some comparisons and cracking open of some of the Hot Wheels we got from the A case we just busted open.
Yes. So in between the video, I wanted to point this out because we were talking about it. I didn't notice that I pulled up blue cards.
Yeah, they're all blue
out. So while I was thinking about it, I said we should just cover that we picked up an ID a chase car, and we'll compare the two.
Got the regular ones, yeah.
And then I forgot about the shaker.
So we got the Pixel Shaker.
This all came out of that A case. So we'll do the Pixel Shaker in a different video because we have another car with that. And we'll go and crack these three open. Because the ID, I think, we should do a giveaway on that.
Yep.
So let's, we kind of gave them a clue too early.
Yeah, I know. That's why I was like, we shouldn't have said nothing. You shouldn't have said nothing.
See?
I was quiet.
One job.
For once.
So let's crack these open. I think I want to start with the Charger.
Yep.
Which I don't know if I've already opened it because I did do a lot of...
No, I don't think you opened that one.
Well, I did a lot of opening for the mail-in car.
Oh.
So I don't know if this is part of it, but I wouldn't mind having two.
I tell you, it's blue.
This is a beautiful blue.
Yeah.
It's not the chrome blue, but this is like the dark blue that...
You know what would look...
Navy? This is not navy, but it's metallic blue.
Yeah, it's like almost like a cobalt blue.
Yeah, a really dark.
But you see how the comparisons look. The hood is dark, the roof is dark, the trunk is light. So you know the guy spraying that.
He started on the front.
Yeah, because that's just like spraying candy almost.
Yeah.
So you got to be really... It's not easy spraying candy, bro. Even on a damn Hot Wheel, bro. Yeah. But I don't think one guy's spraying them with some machine.
Yeah.
So blame the machine. Yeah. And the guy pushing the buttons.
Yeah, I think it's like a cassette where they hang just a whole ton.
And then they just blast
the whole thing goes through the spray machines.
But what you gonna expect for $1, right? Hey,
yeah.
So
I mean, you got to do.
But you know what would be awesome on that? Oh, you put some real riders with the lettering on the tires.
Oh,
that right there with that color and the tempos on there. Oh, that'd be awesome.
Too bad I don't have the
that would be
real
killer.
riders in the large and small.
Oh yeah, that's right.
I think I put it on this car. I wonder if, but these have red lines, so I
that's all right. It'll still look good.
We should try.
Yep, because that's a nice paint job and it's a nice casting.
Yeah.
And so you put rear riders on that, and the tempos are nice. It matches. It's not too much. It's not overboard. It's not gaudy, so it goes with the car.
Like, I don't collect the other Chargers, the newer ones, but
yeah,
I like the older one.
Well, the older ones are better as well.
Way better.
Yeah, looks nicer.
And it doesn't cost so much to drive that.
Yeah.
I can just put it in my blue car collection.
There you go.
Okay,
You got a blue car collection. I got a purple collection.
I don't know. Those purples look good, but I'm trying not to increase the collection. So let's go to this gotta go, because this gotta go into my blue car collection.
You know, Hot Wheels did come up with a blue car collection a while back ago. Like I think in the 90s, they had a blue car set.
Wow.
Yeah, I think it was a 5.5, and some other ones. I don't know what was in the whole set, but I think I have the 5.5. It was really nice. It's like that.
So I gotta go look for that now.
Yeah, it's a whole set. I think there's 5 to the set.
Oh, that's not bad.
Yeah, it's not a big set.
This is metallic.
But I think there's that looks like a midnight. That looks like a cobalt blue with a little bit like purple or black in it with flake. But it's a nice deep color.
Yeah, that is.
If there was more clear on that thing, that would do some damage, bro.
I wonder if I could just spray clear over it again.
Yeah, because
if
it was wet, that wet look, to me that's what brings out metallic with that wet look.
Oh, well, like the the Batmobile set,
Yeah.
the custom Batmobiles from 2019.
Yeah.
We'll link the playlist up here in the corner, but the clear on those were awesome.
Yeah. So even when I was having my truck done, when the guy asked me, well, how you like the clear? I said, I like my clear wet. Like somebody just pour water all over the car. You okay? And the kid did them. I was a young kid. Brother had some talent. He did them. Came out how I like them. And I was like, damn. It was perfect. Just how I wanted it. So
I have a clear coat story that popped into my head when you said that.
Yeah.
We were doing a promo for the radio station,
Yeah.
and we routinely would give away prizes.
Yeah.
The prize was CDs.
Yeah.
And the talent there that day, I don't want to say his name, threw a CD, and it landed square on a newly painted 64 Impala.
Ooh.
And it was that really thick, clear.
If it was thick, that means the guy had flakes on the underneath.
Rider.
Because usually, if they spray flakes on the car, the big jumbo jet ones, you gotta like choke clear, and that must have been expensive.
And it was like, it almost like, what I remember is it might have been airbrushed design on it.
That's hard to
clear
fix.
over.
Was it like a scratch or a ding? Or
it was a dimple right in the hood.
Ooh.
That CD went right up like a frisbee and went straight down. The case cracked on the hood.
Was the guy there?
Yeah, he was. They all. It was a lowrider promo. They were following us around in the promo vehicle.
God! So what?
We just closed doors and we dug out.
For real?
Yeah, because we said sorry. The jock went back in the van. We was like, we got to get out of here because we are outnumbered.
Was it
because everybody saw it, heard it, because the entire crowd. We were at a local restaurant parking lot. This was like 11 at night. We did a call into the station on a Saturday night, and then it went kadoosh, and everybody went, whoa! And it was like, pack it up, we're out.
Oh!
And he had just took it out of the paint shop, and he was showing it off at that. It was a mini car show. It was like a moving car show.
Dude, if that was my car, I would chase you guys, bro.
Oh yeah, it was like, we got to get out of here.
The chase would have been on, dude.
We're gonna get.
I'm surprised he didn't call the radio station and file a complaint.
Well, I think we did enough to defuse the situation, but we knew we had to get out of there because we didn't want it to happen twice.
You guys did you guys talk to the guy who owned the car?
Somebody did. It's somebody that we don't like. I don't want to say his name.
Yeah, it should not be.
He was there too, and he was like, "Okay, hey, sorry, we'll fix it, and then just call us."
Oh, so you guys did fix it?
I don't know if they fixed it, but I know we had to say or do something to defuse it because we didn't want to get mobbed.
Yeah, no joke. Wow, interesting.
Well,
that's
back to Hot Wheels.
Totally different story from mine.
But the reason why I thought it was because we were talking about the clear. That's exactly what came to my mind. I was like, wow, you cannot redo that kind of clear.
Especially like a lot of lowriders, like, during around that time, like a lot of lowriders was coming out. And if they did like the old school style paint jobs from like LA and stuff like that, where they lay out the and they use like, they don't use micro sequins or anything, but they use flake. And when you spray that much flake on one car, you got to put plenty clear so you don't feel it. So that means he had a lot of clear on that car and must have been expensive.
Well, on a close up, this is kind of what the car looked like.
What color was it?
It was a custom color. I don't remember.
Oh, that's even custom color too, bro.
Because he had airbrush design.
Oh man!
Too. So yeah, because right under the dimple was the custom.
Oh, dude, you guys was lucky you guys even got out of there, bro.
Yeah, well, that was like the last of our car meets.
I would have been like, I would have submitted to the station. Hey, you know what?
Maybe I'll go make
Maybe we shouldn't have mentioned this in the video. What if the guy watching them now? What if he's like, hey, wait a second, that's what happened to my car.
Well, that's why we don't make our identities known. But we're talking like,
well, you know, we're calling from Salt Lake, Utah, right?
I mean, we're talking like 98, 99. This is like 20 years, literally 21, 22 years ago.
Put it this way. Somebody would ding my truck, and if I still find the guy, hey, remember me? Huh?
That was like the talk for a while. We was like, hey, you guys remember that CD that hit the lowrider? Was like, oh yeah, man, that sucked.
Dude, you know, well, yeah, I don't know what I would be like petrified, like, because I like cars, and I know what it's like to have something that you custom, and somebody opened the door. Oh, sorry, sorry. Bring your ass over here. You're not sorry, bro.
Maybe we should get a little more clarification on that story. I know we had to get out of there.
I'm sure. Yeah, it was like, we'll take care of it.
Yeah. Call that station.
I'm sure that's what they did. They probably did, because if it's like what you said it was, I don't think that dude would have let it slide. He probably just called the station, and
because I think
they probably took care of it.
I think it had to do with the Hawaii Raceway. It was coming to its closure, and there was no place for anyone to go. So we were organizing these car meets live.
Really?
On the station.
Okay.
Because I thought they closed around that.
Yeah,
time.
they did. I remember because I got to host a race, so I was all stoked.
Oh yeah. Oh no, we did too.
Yeah.
We put the promo vehicle on the quarter mile. We raced them. They wanted us to race the Manapoa man, and we got up to the line, and he's like, "Stage it." I'm like, "It's a 4-cylinder diesel bread delivery van. It's not gonna stage.
It's gonna ying donk. Call a tow truck."
I think the quarter mile we did over 30 seconds because the quarter mile only went as long as 30 seconds, and it would reset.
Yeah.
It reset before we got to the end.
And what, the Manapoa man ding 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 ding.
No, he didn't. They didn't get the Manapoa man. Didn't end up going up.
Oh, that would have been funny, bro.
Yeah, it was kind of weird. They're like, stage it. There's no way this is gonna stage. We could barely steer it straight.
Instead of using bleach or water, you gotta use Astroglide for burnout. Get the tires all warmed up. Okay, now that we got off track,
so far off track,
we're gonna get back to opening the cars.
Yeah, let's open this Subaru Impreza.
Telling our freaking clear stories.
Well, we're competitors at the time.
Oh yeah.
You were on that other station.
The good one.
That was like a month or two before we went to the other one.
Yeah.
We went to a different station and then came over to that one. When we met.
Yeah.
We'll save that story for channel 2.
Yeah, for the second channel.
All right, so that's the Impreza.
It's actually impressive.
It is, but it kind of, to me...
It actually looks like the actual one that they sold.
Yeah,
like the actual production model, bro. Yeah. The same color with the gold rims, everything.
Yeah. The only thing I have in question is, here's the A pillar, the B pillar. This little curve up here almost makes it look like a tuned car than the Impreza.
Mm.
Now, if this was the hatchback, then I would understand that hump. But I don't know. I could be wrong. It could be just I'm used to not looking at this.
I don't know. I don't see. I know what you're talking about. It looks like a regular.
Every other design,
compact to me.
All of this, all the way around, all looks spot on. Like they just took somebody's car,
did a 3D imaging of it, and just printed it.
I was gonna put the head shrinking powder. Shrunk the car, and here it is. Cause I would imagine Subaru would have sold it with 10-spoke gold.
Yeah. That's what I seen the old ones like that, but it was 4-door instead of 2-door.
Yeah. So we're at like 15 minutes.
Ooh, so
So they made it this far. They obviously liked the video.
obviously, so like our videos and share the videos with all your friends, family, and coworkers. Oh, what?
Oh, wait. Now, if they tuned out, they're going to miss out.
Okay. So here's the bonus, people.
Right. So because we normally say the same thing on the outro of the video, maybe they tuned out already. If not, if you're still here, this is your chance to win Hot Wheels ID.
The Chase ID.
The Chase ID and its mainline twin.
So, got at least comment and talk about what we did in the video. So at least we know you saw the whole thing. And then you know what?
First comment.
Yep.
Because we only have one, so.
Yeah, so you know what I mean?
First comment.
So first comment, that's what you get. You score Chase Hot Wheels ID.
That's right.
All right?
Okay, carry on.
Okay, we are
HDub50.
We're on Facebook, we're on Instagram, and we're on YouTube. So like us, love us on all of that things, and subscribe, all right? New viewers, how you doing? Thanks for stopping by. Check out the end screens where you see links to our previous videos. Also, a video YouTube thinks you like, and one we think you should watch. We got more stuff coming up, so we're busy. We're going to head back to the studios and bust out some more videos for you to watch. Adios.